we're at the Caravan and Motorhome Club campsite. It's Grafham Water, and Sue and I and Sheila and Joe are going for a walk, aren't we?
Yeah. I'm wrapped up like a turkey.
So am I. Yeah, the forecast is rain. It's a cold wind.
It's warm in the motorhome, isn't it?
It's the middle of October.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's lovely and cosy in there, but
You
we just
can't
have to get out.
gauge what to wear.
We've not planned where we're going. We know that the Grafham Water is just down the road, so we're going to go to the little information hut on the site here and see which route is the best route to take down to the Alton Water, and then we know there's a good footpath.
Grafham Water.
Oh, Grafham Water.
Not Alton Water.
Alton Water is next to where we live.
Yeah.
That's why. I'm an old Suffolk boy, I'm getting old. Right then, let's go for a walk. You never know what might happen. See you in a minute. We're just watching some of the fishermen here. There's some of them in boats and some of them are standing in the water. They're crazy. Blowing a gale. Fair stiff breeze anyway. And this is Grafham Water. Beautiful down here, despite the wintry wind, and there's quite a few waves kicking up on it. We think they're rose hips, don't we?
Yeah, definitely. There's a rose bush.
Oh, is it? I'll give it away then.
Rose hip jelly you can make, apparently.
Can you?
It's full of nutrients.
Wow. Want to pick some? More rose hips. Well, we're finding a lovely walk. We're just going to go along here and up along the... We've actually doubled back on ourselves a little bit because we took the wrong path. Easy to do here because there's so many little footpaths. So we're now going to go through the hedge gap in the hedge here and pick up the path that goes across the Grafham Water. Well, we're walking along this causeway now, and we've got the Grafham Water on the right hand side here, quite choppy, and round to the left here we didn't see these 5 years ago when we came last. There are lots of solar panels. There's a whole field of them.
One panel.
We're at the breeze and we realised that it's still windy, but the wall is scooping the wind over our heads. That's quite nice really. Just going to show you what's the other side of the wall here. Huge great lake reservoir. We're at the Wheatsheaf, and that's halfway round the Grafham Water, and we just caught them in time, I think, because we're a bit late for lunch really, but very kindly came out and served us out the front. Yeah, what you got there then, Joe?
Lovely prawn sandwiches.
Yeah, blimey.
Really big.
Someone's been fishing for them, haven't they?
Yeah, mate,
Hey?
yeah.
Cool, struth. There's a portion of chips here, which I'm going to dig in a minute, and I've got some, what have I got?
Minestrone soup.
Minestrone soup with croutons. Sue's digging into a cheesy sandwich.
Red Leicester.
Red Leicester. Auntie Sheila's got
Garlic cheese bread.
garlic cheese bread. And there's lots of tea and coffee going on around here. And I've got a green tea. Look. Well, that was very nice. I enjoyed that. So we're going to do the other half now. Are we, Sue?
Yeah. What, you done with your coat? Oh, you stuffed it in your pocket.
Yeah, I put my coat in my pocket and we're going to
Got all sweaty.
get warm. Yeah, got a bit sweaty. Alright, let's carry on. Carry on, do the other half. Well, little Oscar enjoyed the rest. And we reckon we've done about 5 miles to the pub. And we're now about 5 miles for the rest of the walk. And we're going back down towards the water centre and Grafham Water again now. We're going clockwise. And here's a picture of the map again, just to remind you. Well, we're at the back of the sailing centre here at Grafham Water. I'm going to walk along the footpath. Lots of yachts been put away for the winter and boats. And the girls will get ahead of us again, Joe.
Yeah, they are.
Nice walk though, mate. Wind's a bit cool, but not too bad, is it?
Nice, isn't it? That's really nice. Imagine trip, we were right over the other side there.
Yeah, we were. We were right over the other side. We are about halfway. The windmills, don't know if you can see the windmills in the distance there. We're right the opposite side of the lake right now, aren't we? Yes, who keeps saying she's enjoyed her lunch? Soon be dinner time.
Nice walk there.
It's like the rain over there, I hate to tell you. You know that, don't you?
Another car park. Joe was just saying £6 all day and £50 a year. Oh right, okay. Well, there's some nasty clouds now. I think we're going to get a little shower in a minute. Water is still over here.
So I'll go back the other way then.
We better go back the other way. Oh dear. We reckon we're probably at about 6 or 7 mile mark. Now we've just gone past the fishing lodge cafe and we're going back into the...
You'd say no cycle, no dogs.
Must be a bird. Go on. But that might come through.
Oh dear. Oh, I think that means dogs on leads. You'll notice there's quite a lot of these boardwalks and bird hides, and there's one just between the trees there, looking out at the lake. I do think we've turned the corner. We've got a different view from the end of the lake this time. It's over there. How you getting on, mate?
But I've got a blister between my toes. No, don't laugh. God.
You got an extra toe?
I don't know, I've got something between my toe. I think I'll turn back and go the other way.
Turn back and go the other way.
I'll go up that hill.
Yeah, I think that's further the other way now, Joe. Certainly some dramatic skies out there. Now this is the bit where you look like you're walking away from the lake, because the lake's got a little spike that goes out into the countryside here. I have to go all the way around it. But, so just when you feel comfortable you're getting there, you're walking away again. Lots of little nature trails.
I thought cyclists was coming there.
We've now found some cows, don't we, She? But we think these look like Highland cattle. Well, I think they are anyway. They look like Highland cattle. Look at them. You're lovely. Hello. They look quite laid back.
Some beautiful oak trees along here. All getting ready to drop the leaves. The light is changing. We've been on this walk for about 5 hours now, and I'm beginning to hurt. Still some beautiful scenery about here.